Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it in and outside your circle. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you this amazing portable mini printer that I got. Guys, this economy is not smiling and you have to look for ways that you can, have things that are necessary but affordable. So I had to get this amazing mini printer. Guys, it is amazing. Amazing. That's the only word I can use. So let's get into the unboxing and get started. Now guys, this was the one I got. So I got it from Jumia. If you're in Nigeria, you'd know about Jumia, and this is what it came with. The day I saw it, I saw that they were doing a promo, a festival, something, Jumia festival or something, and I was like, I need to get this. I actually do need to get this particular package, and I got it. So it comes with these three printing papers that are colored. So it's blue, pink, and yellow. And then we have five printing papers. So you know the POS paper, that kind of paper. So it comes with it five pieces. And then we have this other white sticker papers. It comes with these coloring pens. I haven't used them, but it's actually cute. So now we have our printer, our portable mini printer. Guys, this is amazing. Like when I saw that the design was not over the top designed, that was why I even really liked it more. So it comes with a charger and then a manual. So the manual basically has, how to use it, the QR code to get the app, the essentials basically. And then we have our printer. Guys, this is cuteness overload. Like it's plain white with a touch of green, and you guys know me, green is my favorite color, so I chose green. There was pink as well, but I chose the green one. Guys, look at it, it's actually really nice. So all you need to do is basically charge it, and then to turn it on you are going to press the button down. So press it for like 5 seconds and it's going to come on. Now, if you want to know the battery level, there's an easy way to know it. So you're just going to press the button twice, like quickly twice, and then it's going to bring out like a form of receipt or something so that you can see the battery level, like everything you need to know is going to put it there. If your battery is full, it will say 100%. If it's not, it will tell you the exact percentage if you need to charge it. And you can just tear it off just like that and print out whatever you want to print out. So now it's time to install the app, right? So you're going to go to your QR code scanner and then you're going to scan the barcode on the manual. So that's what I'm doing right here. So scan it and then you're going to install the app on your device. Another way to do it is to go to the Play Store app and then search for Fun Print. So Fun Print is the name of the app that you're going to download. So simply install it on your phone, on your device, and then you're going to have your app ready. So now you're going to open the app, sign in, and then always make sure your Bluetooth is turned on so that you can get the pairing right. So pair it MX10, that's what my own is. So once it's paired, you can now connect your phone to your printer. Now it's time to print out something. I'm going to go to new notes and then it's going to bring out characters if you want to use them. So I'm going to just write please subscribe. So guys, please, that's your cue to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. And then once I've done that, I can easily just align it the right way, how it's meant to be. And then all I need to do is allow my device to accept the printer and whatever I want to do with it, and then I can now print out my whatever I want to print out basically. So you can set it to be dark, lighter, whatever method works for you. Then you can even print out many copies at once. So these are the things I have printed on this amazing printer. Guys, can you see? This turned out amazing. I even printed out my brand logo and I put a sticker on my printer basically. So can you guys see? So this sticker you can see right here is a transparent sticker. It's not the one with white background. This one, once you cut it off, once you remove it from the white stuff right here, it's going to be transparent basically. So now we're going to print out something. Now let's print out this banner right here, Lara Savage Creations. So I'm basically going to show you guys the process, and I'm not going to print out another one because that's going to waste my paper. So I'm just going to show you guys, how I achieved this long banner, because you might not see any other video that would show you exactly how to achieve something like this. Like, this is a big long banner basically. So we're going to go to banner, and then once I click on banner, I'm going to just type out like Lara Savage Creations basically. So type it out, type whatever you want to put as your banner, type it out. You can make it vertical, horizontal, and then you can increase the font size. You can make it in italics. So I increased the fonts to the highest, and then I made it, in italics basically, and then this is what it looks like. Now when you're printing, you can also make it character. There's a function that says character, so it comes as an animated work basically, but I wanted it plain, and I made it dark, and once I printed it out, this was what came out, guys. I love the outcome. I love how it's turned out. And then I'm going to now print out my logo. Now when you're printing out your logo, always crop it to the size of your logo, so that when you're printing it out, it comes out as a full. Can you see how it is on the paper at the back there? So it comes out as a full form basically, like that. So you can just print it out just like that, and it's going to come out. I'm going to show you guys how this one is going to come out. So you're going to see how it's going to move basically.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
So can you guys see? This is it printed out, guys. It's clear, it's amazing. Now if you want to change your paper, you can easily open it up and then remove your paper, then change it to another one. So I'm going to change it to the transparent one I talked about. So I'm going to print out this same logo, and then this is how it's coming out.
I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody?
So guys, once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my scissors to actually cut it off, and then I'm going to trim out the unnecessary places, and then I'm going to remove the one that was there before. Can you guys see? I told you it's transparent. It's because I've even used it already. It's not so transparent, but this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to put the new one on it, and guys, look at it. It is blending like it's meant to be. Now guys, this is amazing. I love it. I love this printer. Now the printer comes in only black and white. It doesn't come in colored. I'm definitely waiting for them to do the one that is going to come out in colored. I'm going to be the first to buy it because this printer is amazing, guys. It's amazing. Trust me, it's amazing. Now this is the one with the white background. Like I said, the sticker with the white background. This is what it looks like, and then that one is transparent. Now guys, this is all I have for this particular unboxing. I hope you guys love this video. These are the things my printer came with. I love it. It's it's amazing basically. It's everything I wanted. It's everything I needed for my brand, for my small business, and I'm sure it's going to help me to continuously build this brand, Lara Savage Creations brand. And guys, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. I have other unboxing videos on this channel. Please go check it out as well. I have sewing tutorials, everything on this channel. Just go check them out. I'm going to link some of them in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. And yes, that's all I have for you guys. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.